If you want to create better YouTube videos faster, then ElevenLabs AI can be a complete game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs AI for YouTube success, from turning your script into a professional voiceover all the way to exporting your final video for YouTube. Whether you make faceless videos, tutorials, explainers, or short-form content, this workflow can save you hours and help your content sound polished and consistent. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the dashboard, where all the main voice tools are available. If you're new here, take a moment to explore the interface so you know where everything is before you start generating audio. The feature we want to use is text-to-speech because this is what turns your written YouTube script into a natural-sounding voiceover. Go ahead and open text-to-speech. Inside this section, you'll see a place where you can paste your full script. This is where your YouTube narration goes, so make sure your script is clean, well-written, and ready to be spoken aloud. For best results, it helps to keep your script conversational and easy to pronounce. If you have long sentences, try breaking them up a little so the delivery sounds more natural and easier to follow. Next, choose the voice you want for your video. ElevenLabs gives you a few different options here. You can use one of the default voices if you want something quick and simple. You can also browse the voice library if you want more variety and a specific style. And if you have saved voices in My Voices, you can select one of those for a more consistent brand sound. This is an important step because the voice you choose should match the tone of your content. A tutorial might need a clear and confident voice, while a storytelling video might sound better with something more expressive and engaging. After selecting a voice, it's time to adjust the settings. This is where you can fine-tune the final result so it sounds exactly how you want it. Start with speed. If the narration feels too fast, slow it down a little. If it feels too slow, increase the pacing slightly. Then adjust stability. A higher stability setting usually gives you a more controlled and consistent delivery, while a lower setting can sound more dynamic and expressive. You can also work with style, which helps shape the personality and tone of the voice. If your video needs to sound calm and professional, keep it balanced. If you want more energy and emphasis, increase the style a bit until it fits your content. Now that your script, voice, and settings are ready, click Generate. ElevenLabs will create the voiceover for you in just a few moments. Once the audio is generated, listen to the entire track carefully. This is the best time to check for pacing issues, pronunciation mistakes, awkward pauses, or any words that sound off. Even though AI voice generation is very powerful, a quick review can make a huge difference in the final quality of your video. If you notice a section that doesn't sound right, don't worry. You can regenerate specific parts or make small script edits and try again. This is especially useful for names, technical terms, product names, or anything with unusual pronunciation. Keep refining until the voiceover sounds smooth and natural. The goal is to make your narration feel like it was recorded specifically for your video, not just generated automatically. Once you're happy with the voiceover, download the audio file. ElevenLabs usually lets you export it as an MP3 or WAV file, and both formats work well for video editing. MP3 is great for convenience, while WAV can be useful if you want higher quality audio for editing. Save the file somewhere easy to find because you'll need it in the next step. Now, open your video editor. You can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or whichever editor you prefer. Import the audio file into your project, then place it on the timeline. After that, sync the audio with your visuals. This part is important because your voiceover should match your clips, text overlays, transitions, and on-screen examples. If you're making a YouTube tutorial, try aligning each voiceover section with the exact screen recording or graphic that supports it. That makes the video easier to follow and much more engaging for viewers. As you build the edit, listen through the full timeline and make sure the audio pacing feels right. Trim unnecessary gaps, adjust clip timing if needed, and keep the visuals moving in a way that matches the narration. A strong voiceover paired with clean editing can instantly make your content feel more professional and more trustworthy. When everything looks and sounds right, export the finished video from your editor. Choose the settings that work best for YouTube, then upload the video to your channel. At this stage, you can add your title, description, thumbnail, and tags to help the video perform better in search and recommendations. If your voiceover sounds polished and your pacing is strong, you'll already have a major advantage over average content. So that's the full workflow for using ElevenLabs AI for YouTube success. You sign in, paste your script, choose the right voice, tweak the settings, generate the audio, refine any weak sections, download the file, import it into your editor, and publish your final video to YouTube. Once you get comfortable with this process, you can create content faster, sound more professional, and keep your production quality consistent across every upload. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And if you want, you can use this exact workflow for your next Faceless YouTube video, so you can start creating faster and more efficiently right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.